Good afternoon to all. Respected Chairman of HCSC and Commissioner of Police Hyderabad City, Sri Anjani Kumar Garu, all my dear colleagues on the dais, our former Secretary HCSC Bharni Garu, present Secretary General Prashanti Garu, all the esteemed industrialist, hospital sector, all other donors, all the dear children who have come to attend this program, press and media. Once again, good morning to all of you. Already, Mr. Bharni Garu and Madam Prashanti Garu చాలా డీటెయిల్గా మీకు ఇది మన ఎస్సీ వర్క్ గురించి చాలా గట్టిగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు. సో ఐ విల్ నాట్ టేక్ మచ్ టైమ్ యాజ్ దే టోల్డ్ దట్ in addition to taking up cyber security awareness, women safety, children safety, in addition to all other general law and order and other security issues, traffic is going to be another important aspect and important work to be taken up by HCSC. And today we are very happy that on the initiative of our CP sir, that today this new chapter is being launched in the Hyderabad Traffic Police under the auspicious organization of SCSC, which is hardly 6 months old, but in the last 6 months it has already reached new heights. People are already talking about it, and the kind of love and affection, the kind of contribution we are getting from the public, which we have seen today, how the citizens are also concerned about the safety and security of Hyderabad citizens, how they have generously contributed. And वो तो लाइन ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रहा था चेक वालों का, वो तो बोलना पड़ा कि बाद में दे देना. So that shows the concern of our Hyderabad citizens. So dear friends, as all of you know that traffic is one of the major challenge in any mega city, and all of you are sitting here. I think all of you will agree that someone dear one, your close relative or your some close friends or somebody might have been affected by the road accidents. So that shows that each and every citizen of the mega cities are affected by the traffic, and it is very, very important that all of us we maintain traffic discipline on the road, we follow the traffic safety rules, and we don't let our precious lives to be lost on the roads. जो खून हम रोड पे बहाते हैं, अगर वही खून हम अगर ब्लड डोनेट करें तो with the same blood we can save so many lives. Today morning we were discussing that there are thalassemia patients who need blood every 15 days for replacement. So that is the requirement of blood in our society for our fellow citizens. So let us all work together and don't waste our blood on the roads by indulging in road accidents. God has given such a beautiful life to all of us, and let us all make it more happy and also contribute to make others' life also more happy. Every year we are losing so many lives on the road. I have data of Hyderabad city itself. Just I want to share with all of you that how many lives we are losing on the roads. In the first 6 months itself, we have so far lost 113 lives. You will be surprised to know that despite lockdown, people were dying in the road accidents. Very unfortunate thing. And if you take the figure of Cyberabad and Rachakonda Commissionerate also, then figure goes very high. So traffic is the subject that everybody knows about it. It's not a rocket science. Just we have to follow the certain safety rules which are already there. Everyone knows it. उसमें बताने का भी ज़्यादा नहीं रहता. अगर सिग्नल रेड है तो we have to stop it. We have to wear the seat belt. We have to wear helmet. Pillion rider has to wear helmet. We have not to overspeed. So these are all certain small things which everybody knows, but only God knows why people don't follow. So now, today we are going to launch a new program. It's a brainchild of our CP sir and our Joint Secretary of SC Traffic Form, Mr. Piyush Garu. So I will like Piyush to speak more on that program, which we are going to launch today. But unless until each and every citizen of Hyderabad city cooperate with us, we can't achieve our targets, we can't make our roads accident free. So I request all the citizens who are here, kindly not only you follow the traffic safety rules, but kindly make others also to follow it. And under the auspices of SC will continue more and more programs. Only because of this pandemic, corona pandemic, we are a little bit behind, but still you will appreciate that despite so many challenges, under the chairmanship of our CP sir, SC is organizing these programs, and despite this challenge, we'll continue to work because it is our duty to save the lives, to secure the lives of citizens, to safeguard the lives and properties of the citizens, and whatever challenge may be there, Hyderabad City Police will always be there to work for these goals for the safety and security of our citizens. So I thank you, Prashanti Garu, to give me this opportunity to speak here. And I once again thank you, all of you, for coming here. And then I hope that in the future programs, all of you will continue to contribute. And let us not forget that whatever we are doing, it is for the citizens, for the society, for the Hyderabad. And as Mr. Barni Garu was telling, that Hyderabad is the face of IT sector now of the country. So whatever we do here, it directly, indirectly impact our nation also. So this is all what we are doing is a national building program, and it's the duty of all of us to contribute to this. So once again, thank you all, and I leave it to Mr. Piyush to explain more about this today's traffic program. Thank you all. Jai Hind. Thank you.